This is what paradise looks like from space. Enhanced satellite images taken by a NASA satellite show the town of 26,000 people in Northern California engulfed in flames. The scene on the ground shows the horrifying extent of the inferno and the incineration. Hundreds of properties going up in flames, their owners having little time to escape. It's thought as many as 29 died in this town. Some burned alive in their vehicles as they tried to flee. 500 miles away in Southern California, another fire and another problem. Firefighters working round the clock, trying to dampen down smoldering land and buildings near Malibu. Thousands of acres have been destroyed, along with hundreds of homes and businesses, and whole communities have been wrecked in the most lethal wildfire storm since records began. There's fresh concern today that what they're calling the Devil's Wind, the dry Santa Ana wind, is going to fan the flames of more destruction.
Yesterday we talked about our concern with the red flag warnings and the weather. We did see an increase in fire behavior starting last night and into today.
Currently, there are 228 individuals who have been determined to be unaccounted for. As of this briefing, my office has located 107 people after receiving in excess of 550 calls from people looking for loved ones.
Trees can burn and smolder underground. The root system can smolder for days and days, and if we don't catch it, obviously, as you can see, we have many trees fail. They fall, they land on vehicles.
Well, we got a call at 6:30 in the morning. Wife looked out the window, and they said the fire was at Polga. It was behind my house. And at that moment, it was time to get out because the winds were roaring. There were probably about 40, 50 mile an hour winds.
Firefighters fear it will get worse before it gets better. California's Governor Jerry Brown has declared a state emergency and has requested more federal aid from the Trump administration. The president is blaming poor forest management for the fires, but the governor says climate change is the real cause as California continues to count the human cost. Nick Jennings, Arise News.